Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to our channel. In today's recipe video, we will be making 3-cheese ravioli lasagna using our Instant Pot Duo Crisp. Stay tuned. Let's review our ingredients. Frozen cheese ravioli, your favorite pasta sauce, ground sausage, mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Brown up 8 ounces of ground sausage. We added some chopped garlic. Then add your pasta sauce and give it all a good stir. While our sauce is simmering, we're going to take a 7-inch springform pan and line the bottom with foil. As always, when we're in the kitchen, our sweet pup Roxy is right there with us. Isn't she cute? To make our cheese layer, we have about 2 cups of ricotta in our bowl. Add some chopped garlic, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, a sprinkle of Italian seasoning, and crushed red pepper flake, and we're going to give that a good mix. Let's build our ravioli lasagna. To our sprayed and foiled springform pan, we add a layer of sauce. We're going to add half of our frozen cheese ravioli. Pro tip, we added a little less on the bottom and ended up having to put more on the top layer, so just divide your bag of ravioli evenly between the 2 layers. For our cheese layer, we'll add half of our ricotta mixture and spread that evenly. Next, we add some of our shredded mozzarella cheese. And repeat the process. More sauce, the other half of your ravioli, the remaining ricotta mixture, top it off with the last of the delicious sauce and a little sprinkle of Parmesan. It looks very full, but this actually worked well for us and did not leak at all. Lastly, we're going to cover the entire lasagna with foil. Today we're using our 8-quart Instant Pot Duo Crisp, and we're going to add 2 cups of water to the inner pot and lower our lasagna in using a handled trivet. Pro tip, if you don't have a handled trivet, you can use the regular trivet, or you can even make a sling by tri-folding some foil to lower your pan into the pot. We're going to hit the pressure cook button, and since our ravioli was partially thawed, we are going to set our timer for 15 minutes. Don't forget to hit start. After 15 minutes, we are going to manually release the pressure. Once our pressure has released, we're going to remove our lasagna, dump out the water in the pot, remove our foil, and sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top. Using our handle trivet, we're going to put the lasagna back in the pot and add our crisping lid. We're going to use our broil button, 400 degrees for 5 minutes. And just like that, we have a golden brown, hot and bubbly ravioli lasagna. We're going to remove our lasagna from the Instant Pot and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. While it's resting, we added some garlic bread back into the Instant Pot, added our crisping lid, and we're going to use our air fry feature for 5 minutes for some crispy garlic bread on the side. And here's the moment of truth, removing the springform pan. It held together perfectly. We hope you'll try this delicious recipe, 3-cheese ravioli lasagna, done in our Instant Pot Duo Crisp. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment down below. We'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.